I tried 5 VST plugins you have probably never heard of. One of them completely changed how I make my music. Alright, the first plugin is IOTA Mini. It's a free trap plugin, simple and surprisingly powerful. Comes with over 50 sounds. Alright, let me just show you the demo of how this plugin sounds. It loads fast and the interface is beginners friendly. If you're into trap or hip hop, this one's a solid pick. The next plugin is one of my favorite. It is called NeuralNote. NeuralNote is something different. It takes your voice or any sound and turns it into MIDI. All you gotta do is just drag and drop your sound and boom, you get the notes in the DAW. Classic Guitar 2 by Quiet Music. This plugin is one of the most underrated free VST plugin. It brings you soft, realistic guitar sounds. It is so clean. Let me just show you how it sounds. This plugin gives you warmth, hiss, wobble like a lo-fi filter from kind of like 90s. It makes your music feel alive. And the next plugin is Spitfire Labs, and I'm quite sure you guys might have heard of it, but you may never have used this plugin before. But let me tell you, this plugin is a gold mine of free instruments. It comes with pianos, strings, pads, you name it. Alright, number 6. I know I have said only 5, but because this plugin is not free now. It is called Silk Vocal by Waves. I got this plugin for free. It was free for a limited time and my subscriber would have already got this plugin. That is another reason why you should subscribe. This plugin has completely changed how I make my music. It is one of the best vocal processing plugin. Brightness, clarity and smoothness. It has got, complete mix for your vocal. You just throw some raw vocals on it and you can see the magic happens. Let me show you the quick demo of this plugin.
I'm a neat TJ. The hustle is chasing me, I'm finna get paid every day, I'ma do my way. The hustle is chasing me, I'm finna get paid every day, I'ma do my way. Don't care what you finna say, I'm the top dog in this place. I'm a 90 J, leave me alone, let me breathe, okay? Yeah, I'm okay, just like my.
Don't go, don't leave, don't sleep with me, I need you, I. Don't go, don't leave, don't sleep with me, I need you,
Alright guys, I would like to add one more plugin which is not free. It is called MIDI Wizard and they are giving currently an offer, giving off $100 along with 3 bonuses. If you have some extra bucks and if you are really serious with your music, you should definitely go get this plugin. It is going to be totally worth it. I'll put the link in the description so you can go check it out. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it. I really hope this video helps. Please comment, rate, subscribe and share, and I will see you in the next video guys. Peace, I'm out.